How to sew a ski mask or baklava. Things you're gonna need. You're gonna need fabric, stretch, fleece, knit, wool is fine. Today I'm using a cotton material. You're going to need thread, a sewing machine, scissors, a rotary, pins, clips, a pattern, and an iron. I got my pattern off of Etsy in PDF format. You're gonna take measurements of your head to get the size that you need from the pattern. My measurements was 21.5, giving me a size large baklava today. You're gonna cut out the fabric on the fold if able. I am not able to cut on the fold today. I've using some scrap material I had. Thought these camouflages look nice together. After you get that cut out, you're gonna sew the main seams following the curves. Hem the eye opening or mouth opening if you choose to have one. And then you're gonna stitch around the head part.
This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do.
So here I'm doing the eye opening, as you can see. Straight stitching slowly, ensuring that my eye opening won't be too large. You know, you have to be careful when you're hemming it because you can hem it too big. Now it is time to stitch around the head parts or head seam. It's going to be in the middle of the head all the way to the back of your neck, you know. So I'm going to add some pins here so the material won't move, or you can add clips if you have clips.
See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. And I'm not the woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love.
Here I'm following all of my straight stitches up with a serge. You can use a zigzag stitch on your regular sewing machine if you don't have a serger. It'll do the same thing, which is detour further fraying, clean up your edges. You'll just have to cut off any strings hanging off. You'll see them. The serger cuts all that off for you. That's why I like it. You should invest in one if you plan on, sewing professionally. 10 out of 10 recommend. This is what your baklava should look like before you flip it inside out. You're going to want to hem it too before you flip it inside out. Here I'm going in with a needle and thread on that lump on the center of the nose and the center of the forehead area that may occur. So I'm hand stitching it down so it'll be flat and seamless. After you finish ironing all the seams really good, you can try it on, and voila. That is how you make a ski mask or baklava. I hope you enjoyed this very easy tutorial. Try it out. Tag me if you make it. It's so easy to do. If you want the link to the pattern I have, just message me, hit me up, and I can send you the link to the pattern that I have. Super easy to use. 10 out of 10 recommend. Try it out. I hope y'all having a good one. Like, subscribe, share this video with your friends.